Hello, everyone. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching us from. My name is Yinka Jorojaye, and with me tonight are my business partners, Ulu and Miriam. We'll be talking about the frequently asked questions in our business. Ulu, could you please open the floor, please? Introduce yourself and tell us the FAQs that you've encountered in the business. Thank you.
Thank you, Sister Monica. Hello, everyone. I am Olu Akimbileje. I'm a lawyer by profession and I'm a proud digital business owner. I'm a mom of two beautiful children and I live in London. I would like to talk about some of the questions that may be on the minds of our viewers and or potential online business owners. One of the questions that springs to mind is this an MLM, i.e., multi-level marketing model? The answer is no. This is not an MLM. We do not recruit people. We do not engage in cold calling or prospecting. And you would never be expected to solicit family and friends. Instead of these tactics, we use a combination of attraction marketing and paid advertising, which allows you to build your business ethically and efficiently. We have a training program that teaches you how to use social media platforms to attract the right people to your business and obtain a wide reach. You have so much choice on how you build your business, and that is the beauty of this model. Another question that may come to your thoughts is what kind of job is this? And will I be recruiting like you are? And my response to this question is this isn't a job or recruiting. This is attraction marketing done by creating marketing materials and advertisements on social media to attract people who are also looking for an earning opportunity. Another question is how do you make your money? The response is that our main role within this business model is to help others walk through our training sites to get their businesses up and running. We teach everyday people how to use social media to generate income. You don't have to do any selling, just the marketing part. Another question is, would I undergo some training? Yes, there is training. Our business model is for everyone, especially people who have never done online business before and want to start fast. Training, individual support, and a global community, all in one program is available. Another question is, can I have more information? My response is that we have put together a system that provides all the training and automation for your business startup. You will have access to mentorship and support from a large community of successful entrepreneurs. No selling, no bugging your family and friends. With an online business, you choose your hours and can work from anywhere where there is Wi-Fi. The internet is an infinite pool of customers at your fingertips. Register your name and email at www.oluakins.com and more info for the next step will be sent to you. One thing I can say is that if you're looking for an online business within a supportive community, you have found it. Thank you.
Thank you, Olu. Over to you, Miriam. Please introduce yourself and tell us the FAQs you've encountered in the business, please.
Hi everyone. My name is Mariam. I'm a mom of two. I'm a pharmacist by profession and also a digital business owner. Um, well, some of the questions I've encountered is similar to the ones Olu just mentioned. Literally, all the questions she mentioned have been asked before. However, the one I encountered recently, which I felt like it felt simple and straightforward, but at first I thought the person was joking. They were like, "Oh, I don't have an email." I'm like, "You need an email to do our business." An email is very easy to create. If you want to create a new email, you can use any domain. It's a 2 minute things to do. So it might seem like a silly question, which I thought it was, but customers are always right. So I'm not allowed to assume that the person was just being cheeky. So I had to explain how they will need to create one. So if you're in that situation, you you have it here. It's easy to do. You can just go to Yahoo or Google, Gmail, Hotmail. There are lots of different domains you can use, but it's very essential to have an email to register for our webinar, because that's the way we will communicate with you. At least you'll be able to get some information. And if it's something that you're interested in to join the business, then you need an email. The same emails that you would need to communicate with your potential customers. That's the same email that we will use to set up your sales funnel, which we'll be building for you. So yeah. So like Olu also said, another question is if it's an ML, multi-level marketing business. The thing is, it's not, just like she said. She's explaining really well to you, but I'll just add to it. In our business, even though you would have a mentor and a coach, the thing is, if you're so good at what you do and people love you so much with what you're doing, you've done your training, it is very possible for you to earn more than your mentor, more than your coach. It's not like whatever work you do, someone will take part of it. Your business is in your own name and all your earnings belongs to you. So that's the difference between our business and other marketing business that might have a structure of multi-level marketing strategy to it. So I'm trying to think about other questions that haven't been mentioned. Um, can anyone do it? Like, because most times when I talk about the business, I say, oh, it was introduced to me by a doctor. There are a lot of nurses doing it with their jobs alongside their job. But the thing is, you don't have to have a professional job. A stay-at-home mom is doing brilliantly with this job. A cleaner is doing brilliantly in this job. You don't have to be able to speak you don't have to be able to speak fluent English. There are a lot of people that don't speak English. There are a lot of different countries because our business is global. When you come in to try the business out during the trial session, when you buy the trial package, you will have access to our private Facebook group where you would see different people, different walks of life of people sharing their journey, sharing their challenges and their achievements. In that way, you can relate with them as well and decide if you want to do this business. But the thing is, this business is helping everyday people that didn't come from wealth, making them wealthy, making them important, because they do say until you make it before people start noticing you, you know. But if there is an opportunity being thrown at you, like this is an opportunity we're sharing with you, we don't beg people to do business with us. But if we have found something in our business, once you've done all your training, we need to give back. You can't keep it to yourself alone. You have to share with the people around you. It's left to them to look into it or not look into it. But the thing is, when you know the value of what you have, the way you talk about it to other people, it would show. Also, I've also been asked about task. Oh my goodness, I can't say my word right. Task. You know what I'm saying? I can't get my words right. So
Are you talking about tax?
any
Yes.
business in the UK, you have no choice than to pay tax because but the advantage of our own businesses, most of the things we love to do, the things that you love to do, the traveling, you know, taking your kids out, you're using your phone calls, taking different flights because our business work with attraction marketing. So by the time you're filing your end of financial year, you're doing your tax and you're like, okay, this is what I'm going to do. Your accountant, as long as you're keeping your receipts, before the deduction is done, all your expenses will be taken out. You might even end up not being in a position of paying anything because of your expenses. The same thing with your advert, because a lot of people do paid ad. Some people do warm ad. Warm ad is just what we do on our what we are doing right now, or what we do on our social media platforms. It doesn't cost us anything. That means it's warm ad. But some people, they don't have time. They just want the system to do it for them. They pay a token, the system try and target the kind of people they want to do business with that might have interest in their business. But all those expenses, you can get it, you can add it to your expenses when your tax is being filed. So it's a win-win. Yesterday during my day 4 challenge, I was talking about win-win. Our business is a win-win business. So your kids are troubling you. Mommy, we haven't been to holiday. We want to go to Disneyland. It's an opportunity for you because our our business work with attraction marketing. So you take your kids on a trip, you're doing videos, you're doing this. It's all attraction marketing. So it's all part of your business expenses. So guys, um if any questions comes up, I would bring it back. But the thing is, if you have any question, you can pop it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you. The same thing with my business partner as well. They can pick it up as well. So, guys, any question you have bothering you, we have answers for you because we are a business of, we are very transparent with their business. That's why we have the free webinar for you to come and have an insight. Have the trial session before you make your final decision on joining the business. And before you even say, yes, I'm ready for it, you would have a session with one of our business coach to answer any doubts you might have and make everything clear to you. Which business do you get that from? Any business you want to do, you have to do your research alone and take the risk by yourself. But this one, you can do your research by yourself, have a trial session, and you will have a continuous mentor and coaching support. So, like I said, our business is a win-win business. I'll pass you on to you, Yinka.
Thank you, Mariam. Thank you, Olu. You have covered everything. And I like what you said about not begging. Yes, we are not begging anyone to join our business. We are only encouraging you to join it because it's a life-changing opportunity, and it's transforming lives. I always say that the only regret I have in this business because is I didn't join sooner. If I had known, I would have joined earlier than when I joined. But all is well, all being good. It's a win-win, just like you say, it's a win-win situation. Even the token that you have to pay, which is $149, it's refundable within 30 days. So within that 30 days, you'll be added to our global community, private global community on Facebook, and you see testimonials of different people from all walks of life. Everyone and anyone are in this business. We've got Filipinos, we've got Asians, we've got Arabs, we've got English, name it. Everyone in this business, and we are all enjoying it. So there is nothing to fear about, to fear at all. And it's no scam. If it's scam, we won't bring our faces out there. And just like Miriam said about tax, yes, at the end of the year, when you need to file your taxes, all these expenses you paid on ads and all that, you file them as a business expense. So it's a win-win, as she said. So there's really nothing to fear at all. It's a good business, it's a viable business, and well, it's Ramadan period. I'm a Muslim and I'm fasting, so I can't lie to you that it's not lucrative. It is lucrative because I've seen it. I've seen I've tasted it. So come and join us. It's a viable business and you won't regret it. Mariam, if they need to join your business, please tell them your website and your phone number if you have one. Please.
All right. If you're thinking of starting a business, or you want to have a look at what we do, you want to start your own business, you need to register for our webinar. And to do that, all you need is just your name and your valid email address. It has to be a correct email address, guys. So you can go on to www.mariam-balo.com. As you can see on the screen, next to my name, Mariam UK, www.mariam-balo.com. You will see a page, it will say name and email address. Once the email address is gone through, you would a video will come up that you can watch a replay of our most recent webinar. But be mindful, under that video before you watch it, there is connect with me on WhatsApp. Also connect with me on Facebook. You can connect with me straight away. Just say hi, it's Mariam, and then go back to watch the video. But you will be getting emails from me and from my funnel as well. But watch out for the email I would send to you. Make sure you check both your inbox and your spam email, because I've never sent you an email before. It is possible my email will go to spam because I'm using a domain in my name. It's not the common domain. My email is info@ mariam-balo.com. So I have my own business domain. So that's the reason why sometimes when email goes out, it goes into junk mail or spam mail. But once you receive the email, just mark it as not spam. So my consequent emails will go into your inbox so you don't miss anything. So, like I said, www.mariam-balo.com. There is no credit card involvement. It's just your name and your email address to sign up. Thank you.
Thank you, Mariam. Olu, please tell them how to, reach you if they need to join the business. Please.
Okay, thank you. To register your interest, please go to www.oluakins.com. Thank you.
Thank you. And same thing goes with me. If you need to, join me, you can't join three people at the same time. It's only one person. So if you want to join me, mine is www.onlinecardrojai.co.uk. So just as Mariam said, put in your name and your valid email and ensure you tick the checkbox on the left. And once you do that, you get an email to go into your inbox or your spam or junk folder. So just look out for the emails. So it would ask you to register depending on the day you register. It might ask you to register for a coming up workshop, but you don't need to do that if you don't have the time. You can always watch the replay. And it's a 90-minute webinar. So don't say 90 minutes is too long. No, it's not too long. This is what we watched, and we later change our mindset and join the business. So whilst you are doing something around the home, you can put in your what's it called, the earphone or whatever in your hair and be listening to it. I know something will hook you because you will see testimonials of people talking about the business, what they've gained when they joined and all that. So there are real people like you and I, so I'll reiterate, it's a viable business and you won't regret it. Everyone's journey is different. People are earning 5 figure, 6 figure in a month. Not that they got it immediately when they joined. No, it's not. It doesn't work like that. Naturally, when you open a business, you don't expect a return on investment, immediately. But as time goes on, once you are focused and you are consistent, you will get it. You get there. This is where we're gonna end it tonight till we come your way again next week or in 2 weeks time. Thank you and God bless. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.